Hello! Today we are going to speak about the importance of home interdental cleaning devices in order to prevent periodontitis, gum diseases, and also caries. It is very important to perform an interdental cleaning daily at home for achieving the best results in oral hygiene. My name is Professor Dr. Gonzalez, and we are going to speak today about the difference between dental floss and interdental brushes. So, there are different types of interdental floss. And as we can see here, there is the possibility to have waxed dental floss or unwaxed dental floss, or there is also a special floss which is called super floss, and there are other types of dental floss. The most important part is to get enough floss to hold them in the fingers, and then it's important to go into the interdental spaces and to floss from one space to the next, and always cleaning first one area and then the adjacent area of the next tooth. Of course, it is just more easy to show this in this model, and it is difficult to perform the cleaning in the mouth. However, it is just a matter of training, and if you do it constantly on a daily basis, then it will not take too long and you will perform a good interdental cleaning. In the case that the interdental space begins to bleed, then there is no problem. It's just simply because there will be a very small trauma, but this has no importance at all. It is more important that you perform the cleaning. In the case of this special floss, the so-called super floss, there are two parts in the floss, one which is very thin and the other part is wider, and it has a foamy texture, so that in this case you can just go inside the interdental space with the thin part and clean the areas of the teeth as shown before, and then you can just pull out and remove the plaque with the thicker part of the floss. So as you can see, the flossing between the teeth in the interdental spaces with dental floss is recommended in the case that the interdental spaces are very tight and there is no space enough for using other type of devices like the so-called interdental brushes. When you have analyzed, when you have looked what is the best size for your interdental space, also together with your dentist or dental hygienist, then insert it gently from the outer parts of the dentition to the inner parts, and then move the brush back and forth in each space as I am showing you here. You see, here it's too small, so it is better to change the size of the interdental brush and use a smaller one. Exactly. So change size, and in the back parts of the dentition, you can also curve them a little bit, and then you see it's more comfortable for you to use it if you just curve it a little bit. So you can use these interdental brushes several times. However, it is important that you change the brush when the filaments become worn. So we have seen the different methods for interdental cleaning, using dental floss or using interdental brushes. A very big investigation, a very important scientific investigation showed that using interdental brushes may be more effective than floss. As a periodontist, it is important for me to explain you all these procedures, because this is the most important for maintaining healthy tissues, healthy periodontal tissues, healthy gums. And of course, all these data are based on scientific evidence. There have been many studies that have been conducted in the world literature that have shown that the interdental cleaning is very important for achieving the best results. Toothbrushing alone is not enough. I hope that this information will inspire you to perform better oral hygiene. Thank you very much for your attention.